Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can zoom background and display name on Zoom app. All you have to do now, you can open your Zoom application on your phone. You can tap on a new meeting or join meeting. So here, firstly, you can change your display name by tap on participants and click on your profile and rename it. So you can enter a new screen name or display name as you wish. And also, in order to change your background, you can tap apps. Then you can tap on virtual backgrounds. Here, you can set your virtual backgrounds powered by Pixels. There are four categories: nature, interiors, art, and travel. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.